In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing on settings in Windows 10 or 11. So to get started, go ahead and open your PC or laptop where Windows 10 or 11 is actually installed. So in here, go ahead and head over into your settings. So click on this Windows icon and click on settings. Now on your settings, go ahead and click on this network and internet tab. Now under this, you'll be able to find your Wi-Fi connection and the status of your network. So in here, you need to make sure that you are connected into an internet connection. You need to make sure that your Wi-Fi access is actually enabled or turned on to be able to connect into a Wi-Fi connection. Now, if you're connected to a Wi-Fi but it shows no internet connection, just simply click on that network troubleshoot, which you'll find under the status section. So you need to troubleshoot your network to be able to identify the problem. But if no problems are shown, just go ahead and update your network adapter or driver, which is actually your last resort to fix your problem. And that is how you can simply fix Wi-Fi not showing on settings. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.